Hi, I'm Martin Carnoy here at Stanford, and I want to introduce my new book, Transforming Comparative Education, 50 Years of Theory Building at Stanford. This book is both a review of what comparative education has been and what it has happened over the last 50 years in the field, and talks about what is likely to happen in the future in the field. The book is important at this time, first of all, because the field itself has exploded. One of the most important things that's happened, for better or for worse, is that more and more countries in the world are participating in international tests. And these tests are being used to compare educational systems. Indeed, the idea of the test is to identify high-performing countries and using those so-called high-performing countries as models for other countries to emulate in order to make their educational systems better. Now, the book talks about the past, talks about a lot of theories that were developed at Stanford. Stanford's the preeminent institution developing theories in comparative education over the past 50 years. And also talks a lot about where the field has come, including these tests. Now, are comparing countries based on student tests, is that appropriate? Is that a good comparison? Is it valid to, for example, say, oh, Brazil should emulate Finland or Shanghai or Singapore? Are those valid questions even? Is that the right way to use these tests? Well, the book is very timely in this regard because it both sets the context for how this developed, whether testing was meant to do this, and how we should look at this kind of comparative education and compare it with other ways of using comparative education to draw perhaps different conclusions. I'm really happy that this book came out now. I think it's really relevant for people. At the last comparative education meeting in San Francisco, there were almost 4,000 people at that meeting. It is a huge field, and rightly so. It is good to do comparisons, but it's really important to do them the right way.